I was reading the latest report of the first 6 months of a report on investment from VC, and it's clear that all the capital is moving toward AI-driven organization, leading all the normal organization that they are looking for investment and funding without money. That is, in my opinion, a drama, because if all the funding is moving towards AI, what happens to the other kind of business, the traditional business?
Well, there's a silver lining to it, because part of the money that's going to AI is in fact reinvested in energy. And you see the surge of engineering and funding in the nuclear energy business, or even in the power grid in general, because those data centers are so power hungry that indirectly those billions of dollars will end up, I pray for it, modernizing the grid and developing new solutions of clean energy. So there could be, by ricochet, that good effect to all of this money. I hope for it. I have no certitude, but I hope for it, certainly.
Looking at the history of the humankind, the main driver of development in our humankind that was financial development or world development was indeed energy in the last 1 century. And it's clear from the forecast of the energy division that AI seems to improve the demand of energy from the grid in a forecast from 26 to 40%, if I am right. So in 2030, so in almost 5 years, the grid should be improved of at least 40% of energy providing. But if we think that in Europe, a lot of main city, they have a programmatic blackout during the summer due to the high consumption of the air conditioning, we can understand that the main grid is not ready for that. And we have only 5 years to figure it out how to do that. So it's indeed an interesting challenge, because this finally creates a real problem that can move us toward a more sustainable way of living.
Yeah, exactly.